Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to change your name on your YouTube account on the YouTube application. Really easy to do. You used to have to do this on Google account, but now you're actually able to do it over the YouTube application, so it's really great. All you have to do is head over to the YouTube app, and then once you're on here, you just want to click on the top right corner where your profile picture is. Click on that, and then you just want to click on your picture in the top left corner or your name where it says test for my test account here. So you just want to click on that. And then it'll bring over this right here. Then all you want to do is click on the little settings gear beside your name. And then here you'll be able to edit your name to whatever you'd like. So I'll just change mine right here. And then save it. And then as you can see, the name is changed on the account. It's really that easy on your phone now. I really hope I was able to help you guys out. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.